Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini futures, the Euro futures, and the crude futures. The market opened up here this morning at 1778. Today is Friday, February 7th, 2014. First opportunity we had, we generally don't trade from 9:30 to 9:45, but we had an instant move to the downside. Pro range reversal for a total of 4 ticks with one contract. Not a big deal. It's kind of a scalping trade. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had a little bit of a pullback below the moving average, break above it, pull back, and I got to stop out for minus 12 ticks. Thinking it wasn't over with yet to the upside, I had another opportunity to go for 8 a long position. I got stopped out for another 8 ticks. Again, in hindsight, it's 2020, of course, but even I get caught up in the shark bands were right here, and I was trying to trade while I was in the middle of the shark band, so lesson learned. And then we had a sell-off, pullback, continuation, got stopped out to my reduced risk, stop out minus 2. Now, I want you to notice how we came back, tested our moving average, pulled back for a continuation, and it did not reach my T1 was hit, did not reach my T2, and at that point, got stopped out for minus 2 ticks for a total of plus 0 on that trade. So far, so good on a Friday afternoon. We had a nice little break above the moving averages, pull back. This is a trade that I did not take. It did set up nicely. Looks like it hit its T1 and T2. I think in that trade it would have been a total of 8 ticks, but I did not take that trade. You know, you can't let a losing trade or a series of losing trades get you down. You need to just take a step back, take a breather, stand up, come back, look at the screens again, and you'll see the mark a different light. Going into the lunchtime trading zone, I generally don't take any trades. This is from 11:30 to 1:15 Eastern Standard Time, and the market just continued to do a gradual grind higher. Coming out of the lunchtime zone, there was a nice clean opportunity for T1, T2 on one trade, T1, T2 on another trade, total of 20 ticks. We've already recovered our losses from the morning. And then up here, nice little bounce off of our moving average for continuation lower. We were expecting a sell-off from the 2 o'clock time frame, did not get it. I flattened out for a total of plus 0. If anybody did, remember, if you're doing a counter trend trade, you may want to keep that in a scalping position for 2 ticks and 4 ticks. I did not get 6 ticks on that. No, I got a total of 0 on that. So, and then what really paid off, again, patience pays off. We had a nice little fib trade pullback here. If you went for your T1 and T2, you got a total of 10 ticks. T1, T2, and T3, a total of 22 ticks. I want you to notice the run up here to the 93.5. We were tracking it as it was going up to the T3 and right to a tick before they had a sell-off into the close. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com.